Hey guys, I am super excited to review for you today the Hiibo pet camera. I am so in love with this device right now, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, what you can expect, and all the amazing features that it comes equipped with. So let's get started. Now to begin, I will say that I've already got it fully charged and it's currently in standby mode. I've got it connected to my phone here via an app. It's the GL Pets app. And I've already done the connection process, but essentially you just plug in your Wi-Fi, type in the password, there's gonna be a QR code that pops up on the screen. You're gonna have the device scan it, and it should connect pretty quickly. It was super seamless for me. And then all that I have to do here is press start, and now it'll connect just like so, and I can use the camera, as well as control the device, which is what I'm gonna show you. But before demoing, I wanna talk about a few other really quick features. First off, here's the charger that it comes with. You're gonna charge it right back here. It charges pretty quickly and then has a 15-day long endurance, which is pretty impressive. Should last for quite some time, especially when you're away. And using this app, controlling this device, there is no monthly subscription, which is absolutely amazing as well. So once you get the device, you're good. Also, it's equipped with multi-account viewing, which is really nice, great for many people in the family who want to be able to use it. Lastly, I love how it's designed with treat tossing. You'll see I've already filled the top here with a bunch of treats. There are a bunch of different slots here, so I put one treat in each slot. Just make sure you've got the right size. It should be 6 to 18 millimeters. Then the treats will just come from right down here. By the way, it comes in the cutest packaging. Now let me set it down. Now our manual here does share what all of the buttons do. We've got control mode switching, so we can go from the arrows to these types of arrows. This one's my personal favorite. I just made my cat drop her food. Now I can control it. Come on over here and say hi to my cat. In fact, let's drop her a treat. All right, there's the treat. She'll eat it eventually. She's not a super food oriented cat. I can take photos. I can also take videos. Now, if you couldn't tell, my cat loves this device. But what she also loves is laser pointers. You can play with your cat using the laser pointer, or you can go into game mode, and then the device with the laser pointer on will just move at random to engage with your cat. I also like how it shows the battery life in the top left corner of the screen. And finally, we have got our two-way audio. I can press it, but I'm in the same room, so I apologize for how loud that was. Now it's really cool too, is even if maybe I didn't have a pet, this is awesome as just a full house mobile monitor. Look, you're getting a little sneak peek at what my apartment's like. The camera is also great. We've got 1080p HD night vision, so even when it's dark, you can still benefit. And that's about it. Hope you love this device just as much as me and my cat have.